Look at me. I want you to sit down, grab a cup of coffee, and listen to me very carefully right now. Because if you are retired, or if you are anywhere close to stepping into retirement, what you do with your hard-earned money and how you protect your personal identity online is everything. Everything. You have worked 30, 40, 50 years to build your nest egg, and I am not going to let a misunderstanding or a sneaky online trend put a single dime of your security at risk. Now, the question on the table today is simple. Does PaysafeCard need an ID? You might have heard about PaysafeCard from a neighbor, a grandchild, or maybe you saw it on a rack at your local supermarket right next to the gift cards. People talk about it like it's this magic, invisible digital cash. And you're sitting there thinking, Susie, I don't want my credit card numbers floating around the internet. I don't want hackers stealing my identity. Can I just buy this card without handing over my driver's license or my social security number? Here's the straight, bottom line truth. It depends on how you use it. And you need to understand the difference before you spend one single dollar. If you walk into a physical retail store, a gas station, a pharmacy, a grocery store, and you pick up a standard, physical PaysafeCard voucher, you pay for it with cash or your debit card, and the clerk hands you a receipt with a 16-digit PIN code on it. For small, single-use purchases at participating online stores, you do not need to show an ID. You do not need to give your name, your home address, or your email. You take that 16-digit code, you type it into the checkout page of a recognized merchant, and boom, the transaction is done. In that specific scenario, it works just like paper cash in your wallet. Now, why do retirees love that idea? Because of fear. And I get it. You're afraid of getting your credit card hacked online. You're afraid of identity theft. You think, if I don't type in my card number, nobody can steal my bank account. And you are right to want privacy. But stop right there, because here's where the story changes, and here's where so many good, honest people get caught completely off guard. If you want to move beyond those small, basic cash vouchers, if you want to create a My PaysafeCard online account, store larger amounts of money, raise your spending limits, buy codes online from your computer, or get their prepaid card to use everywhere, guess what? You must show ID. By federal and international law, financial institutions are required to know who their customers are. It's called Know Your Customer or KYC regulations. They will ask you to upload a photo of your driver's license or passport, confirm your home address, and even take a picture of your face on your phone or computer webcam. If you refuse to verify your identity, you cannot upgrade your account, you cannot hold large balances, and in many cases, your account will be restricted or locked. So, if someone told you that PaysafeCard is a completely anonymous bank alternative where you can hide your money or move thousands of dollars without anyone knowing who you are, they lied to you. Are you kidding me? In today's digital world, regulated financial networks do not let large sums of money move around completely anonymously. Now, let's talk about the danger zone. I need you to lean in and hear me on this, because this is where retirees get hurt financially. Scammers love prepaid vouchers like PaysafeCard. Why? Because once you buy that voucher at the store and read those 16 digits over the phone or email it to someone, that money is gone. Instantly. It is just like dropping $100 bills into the middle of the ocean. There is no chargeback. There is no bank manager who can undo it. There is no customer support team that can pull that cash back into your pocket. If someone calls you on the phone claiming to be from the government, or Medicare, or your utility company, or tech support telling you your computer has a virus, and they demand that you go to the store, buy a PaysafeCard, and give them the code to pay a fine or fix a problem, hang up the phone. That is a scam 100% of the time. No legitimate company, no government agency, and no real utility provider will ever ask you to pay them with a prepaid voucher code. Period. So, what is your actionable takeaway today? How should you actually use this information to stand in your financial power? First, if you want a simple way to buy something small online without exposing your primary credit card or bank account, a basic PaysafeCard voucher bought in a store can be a safe, useful tool for small dollar amounts. You don't need an ID for that basic voucher, and it keeps your primary accounts disconnected from the internet. Second, if you decide you need an online account with higher limits, be prepared to provide a valid government-issued photo ID. Make sure you are registering only on their official, secure website or app, never through a link sent to you in an email or a text message. Third, and most importantly, treat every single PaysafeCard code like cold, hard physical cash. Keep it hidden. Never share that 16-digit code with anyone over the phone, in an email, or on a website that isn't a direct, verified checkout screen. Protecting your retirement isn't just about making good investments, it's about closing the back door so nobody can sneak in and steal what you've already built. Stay smart, stay safe, and stand in your power.